Hello everybody, it's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. Maggie and I bring you these beautiful crochet tutorials to help you with your crochet journey. This one is a beautiful, not my pattern, it is a free pattern. It is a coaster. It's a pumpkin coaster. It actually works up pretty spanking fast. It is extremely beginner friendly. So obviously I have an orange one made, so my next one I'm going to make in this, it's like an ivory white. It's called chiffon, if you can see that. And then I'm going to make the stem on this one brown. Now I will strongly recommend that you use 100% cotton. Sometimes my brain just doesn't want to completely work this morning. 100% cotton for stuff like this. Never use mixed blends. Never listen to someone else that says use milk cotton. Milk cotton is not 100% cotton. Guys, if you're going to make stuff that is for use, kitchen and just daily use, please, 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 please use 100% cotton. Okay. All right, so let's have some fun with this. We are going to be using a 2.75 millimeter crochet hook. And we're going to start with the pumpkin. Obviously, the stem is the last thing that we will do. If you hear a little traffic outside, that is the road that I live on. That is kind of out of my control, so I do apologize if you do hear it. So we are going to start with a magic ring, guys, and leave a tail just for weaving, okay? And I think I need some glasses on. What do you think, guys? All right. So magic ring. Now, if you struggle with a magic ring for this project, you can absolutely chain 4, slip stitch to the first stitch, and then chain 1, and then you're ready to go with us. And we're going to be working it around, so please use a stitch marker so you don't lose where you're at on your project. So in your magic ring, guys, I want you to place 12 double crochets, 12, and we'll be right back. Okay, we have 12 double crochets in here. Now I'm going to tighten up my center. Be careful pulling so you don't break your end. It will as you weave in, and it will close more, so don't stress. All right, so now second round, all you do is put in 2 double crochets in every single stitch to take you to 24 double crochets. All right, guys, you're doing great. Row 3 is another increase row. So the first stitch, I want you to put in 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Sorry for the traffic again, guys. It's just where I'm at. All right, so we got 2 double crochets. The next stitch is 1 double crochet, and you're going to repeat that pattern all the way around. So the next stitch you'll do 2, the next stitch you'll do 1. So 2, 1, 2, 1 all the way around. That will take you to 36 double crochets. All right, you should be at 36 double crochets. We have one more round of increases, so let's do it. So this is going to be the repeat pattern all the way around, guys. So you're going to do 1 double crochet, and please put your stitch marker back in. Very important, guys. So 1 double crochet, next stitch, do a double crochet, 2 of them, which is an increase. And in the next stitch, do 1 double crochet. That is the pattern you're going to be doing all the way around here. So now, again, we're going to repeat it. 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet. Repeat it. 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet. All the way around. Sorry, my dogs. That will take you to 48 stitches. So it's 1 double crochet, increase, 1 double crochet. All the way around. All right, you should have 48 stitches going all the way around. So now what we're going to do, you're going to take your stitch marker out, And now we're going to put in single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So go back to 5 and mark it. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Now I want you to chain 2, skip to chain 2, skip 1, and do a double crochet. Chain 2, skip 1, and a double crochet. And I want you to do this till you have 8 double crochets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, chain 2, 2, skip 1, and put in 7 single crochets, 1 in each of the next 7 stitches. All right, now chain 2, skip 1 and double crochet, and do your 8 on this side. So it's chain 2, skip 1, double crochet until you have 8. After you have your 8, chain 2, skip 1, and you should have 2 single crochets left. We started with 5 single crochets, if you remember. All right. Now put a single crochet in the next, stitch marker back. There we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 4 more single crochets. 2, 3, and 4. Now, in these clusters, you're going to put in 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And then a double crochet on top of the double crochet. So again, you're going to put 3 double crochets inside this gap, and then 1 on top, and you're going to do that all the way around to your last one, which should be 3 double crochets in that gap. And then you'll put in 7 single crochets, and then you do the same thing over here. 3 double crochets in the gap, 1 on top, and you keep doing that all the way around, and then I'll meet you up here. Okay, I did my last 3. I did a double crochet on that post. In this last gap, do your 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Do a single crochet. There we go. And a single crochet. And then a slip stitch. And chain 1. Whew, ha. Your pumpkin is made. So now let me get my brown yarn for his stem. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that stitch where we slip stitched. I was counting, I apologize. The stitch where we slip stitched. Attach your yarn. Just like that. All right, now in that same stitch, do a single crochet, a single crochet in the next, a single crochet in the next, and one more, so that's 4 single crochets. Chain 1, turn your work, and do 1 single crochet in each stitch, which is 4 again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to do one more row, your choice, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 'Make sure you grab the entire stitch, guys. There you go, and 4. Now you can leave it that way, your call, or I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to do a single crochet 2 together, and then I'm going to do it again in the next. And then this looks like, you know, when you pluck a pumpkin off. It's fine. So now let me weave in all the ends, and we'll be back. Well, guys, here it is. Look at them. A white one and an orange one. You can have fun with all your color combinations that you'd like. This is such a fun, easy, quick project. These coasters work up really fast, and you can make a ton of these in even one day, just sitting and chilling and binge watching a TV show. I am Ronnie with Whip and Chain. Until next time, it's always a work in progress. And please, guys, go check out our Crochet IQ quick shorts for quick ideas for crocheting. Until next time, guys. Bye.